My name is Daniel Jones. I'm one of the litigation attorneys with Harris Personal Injury, and we have 15 offices from San Diego up to the Bay Area. This was a motorcycle crash on the freeway. Our client was coming back from law school. He was actually a law student and had been studying late, merged onto the freeway on his motorcycle in full protective gear. And as he was entering the freeway, a car was speeding from behind him and hit him and knocked him down onto the road. This one was pretty clear-cut liability. He was hit. It was actually a hit and run. So we didn't have to focus on liability as much as we normally would with motorcycle cases. But suddenly we had to shift and point out that he did sustain serious injury to his hand. And that was the key focus that we wanted to get across to the jury, because the insurance company or the defense for a long time treated it like they used the term a broken pinky case several times. We reached out to DK Global because in the past we've used their animations for sometimes the liability side and then sometimes the surgery or the damages or the injury side. We wanted to go through and have the hand the focus, but also be able to explain that there were other injuries that he sustained. So we reached out to DK Global, provided the records and the kinds of things that they use to put together an animation. And when we got it back, it was clear that it was going to be a very effective tool in trial. Pretty quickly, the defense started reevaluating the prior offers that we had been discussing. In the beginning, they offered, it started at 100 or 200. They ended up topping out at about $300,000. He considered settling, but we were trying to figure out, again, what the long-term effects of the injuries to his hand would be. We ended up providing the animation and getting a little more involved on the expert side with the defense. They ended up more than doubling the offer. We ended up settling this case for $735,000. I would have absolutely brought in some visuals a lot sooner than I did in this particular case. Trials can be incredibly complex and complicated, and one of the things that these animations have always done for us is just simplify it and make it very understandable for the jury. Every single time that we've brought DK Global in, we've been able to either maximize a settlement or we've ended up with very good verdicts as well. DK Global did a great job of absolutely listening and putting together exactly what we wanted.